Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday, I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor, Mr. Doi, and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today, I will talk to you about Sakai City Big Bang. Sakai City Big Bang is a large children's museum in Osaka. It's a place to enjoy learning about space and science. Many families visit this museum to have fun and to learn at the same time. The building has a very special design which looks like a huge spaceship. It was designed by Tadao Ando, a world famous architect from Japan. In this side, the museum, there are many displays which help children to learn about science. The most popular attraction is a very tall jungle gym which connects the four floors to the roof. It is about 53 meters high. Children can climb inside a safe net to feel like adventures. These are also a space suits displayed and a container to try controlling a spaceship. It's a great place for families to enjoy all day. In 2024, Big Bang added a new digital experience. There is a projection mapping area which shows beautiful space images and interactive displays which also visitors to learn about Earth and planets. There are also science workshops and experiment shows on weekends, so visitors can always find something new to enjoy. It's a very easy to visit Big Bang. It's only 3-minute walk from Izumigaoka Station on the Nankai Koya line. There is a large park and a shopping place near the museum, so it's a nice area to spend a whole day. Many people are now interested in the Big Bang because Osaka Kansai Expo 2025 is coming soon. But its end. Kansai City Big Bang is a place where children can learn about Sakai City Big Bang is a place where children can learn through play and where adults can feel young again. If you visit Osaka, please take a time to see this exciting museum. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.